Welcome to Primal Facts. In this video, we will talk about the City of Peace. Hurghada, Egypt. Hurghada is a resort city in the Red Sea Governorate of Egypt. It is one of the country's most popular tourist destinations and has been nicknamed the City of Peace. The city has been developed from a fishing village into a major resort area. This was mainly due to its beautiful beaches, which are considered among the most beautiful in the world, and its proximity to other historic sites like St. Catherine's Monastery on Mount Sinai, Quseir Amra, Ras Mohamed National Park and Mount Sinai itself. Hurghada is also considered as a major starting point for visits to the Mount Sinai Monastery. The old city of Hurghada is home to numerous hotels, shops, cafes and restaurants. It has an international airport with several flights daily from Egypt's capital Cairo. Hurghada was founded by Egyptian fishermen who settled in the area following their discovery of rich fishing grounds in the Red Sea. Hurghada is well known for its diverse coral reefs, which are home to many types of tropical fish and manta rays. It is a city that offers many things to do and see for all kinds of tourists. The best time to visit Hurghada is during the winter because it has the best climate. The summer months are also great, but it can get very hot and humid. What is Hurghada famous for? It is one of the country's main tourist centers, due to its proximity to Cairo and its many beaches. Tourism is Hurghada's main industry, with an annual growth rate of 20% over the last 10 years. The city offers a wide range of attractions and activities for all ages, including water sports and other beach-related activities such as sunbathing, swimming and snorkeling. The city is located on the west coast of Egypt, with a beachfront that stretches for about 40 kilometers. It is one of Egypt's most important ports and was the first Egyptian port to be visited by a European, Vasco da Gama, in 1498. Hurghada has a hot desert climate with extremely high temperatures all year round. According to the World Bank, received 53% of its income from tourism, a figure higher than any other city in North Africa. Hurghada city is among some 220 cities with a population over 100,000 people which are classified as world-class destinations by the World Economic Forum. The best way to get to Hurghada is by plane. There are two airports in Hurghada, the International Airport and the Domestic Airport. The International Airport is located on the outskirts of Hurghada city and is connected to Cairo International Airport by a daily flight. The domestic airport is located near downtown Hurghada. It's connected with Cairo International Airport by a weekly flight. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.